Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. So let's continue our MCQ series on statistics and we are doing questions from charts and graphs. Okay, so let's start our first question. A chart that should be used when you are primarily concerned with comparing the percentages in different categories. So you have to plot different categories and you have to compare their percentages. So in last class, if you remember, I told you that in Pareto chart, we plot bars in descending manner, and after sorting the data, we plot them and then we also draw a line for calculating cumulative percentage. Okay, so you have to compare the percentage of different categories. So the best one is Pareto chart. Okay, so now let me show you one example. See here. Different types of customer complaints. Late delivery, damaged product, wrong item. Data frame is created, and now first you have to sort the values in descending order and then you are calculating the cumulative percentage. Right? So after that you are just simply doing the plot. And for Pareto chart I told you that there is no function directly. You have to use bar chart and then you have to plot this line. So see. This is for late delivery, for damaged product, different types, and you can see that they are in descending order, and after that the cumulative is also calculated. So you can compare the cumulative percentages, you can compare the percentages of different categories. Clear? Now you understand why Pareto chart is most suitable. Fine, now let's do the second one. You want to analyze the trend of monthly sales revenue over the past year for your company. So you have to give monthly sales like January, February, March in this way. January, February, March, April, May in this way. So which one is better? So you can understand that if you just connect them by line, then you will be able to understand that it has increased in February but decreased in March, increased in April but decreased in May. Okay, so the best suitable is line chart. Fine. Let me just show you one example. See here, different months and different sales revenue. If you plot the line chart, for that you just have to write PLOT. PLOT means that it will be plotted as a line. Every point will be connected by a straight line. So you can understand what is the monthly sales revenue trend. Clear? Now let's do the next one. You want to compare the total sales of different products in your store during the last quarter. You have to compare total sales of different products. So it may be laptop, it may be mobile. These are categories. And you have to calculate what is the total sale for laptop, what is the total sale for mobile, what is the total sale for tablet. Okay, so you have to compare the total sales of different products, or we can say different categories. So you can understand this is best by bar plot. Let me show you. See here. Product A, product B, product C, and these are the total sales. So if you write bar product, you can understand for product A, this is the amount of sales, 150. For product B, the amount of sales is 200. For product C, it is 125. Clear? So bar chart represents this best. Next one. You have collected data on the ages of participants in a survey and you want to understand the distribution of their ages. Okay. So you have, let's say, 10, 20, 30, 35, 45 different types of ages. They have participated in the survey and you want to know how many people are in the age group of 10 to 20, how many people are in the age group of 20 to 30, how many people are in the age group of 30 to 40. So what do? You create different bins. They are from 10 to 20. Maybe 15 people are from 10 to 20 group. 20 to 30. Maybe 20 people are in 20 to 30 group. 30 to 40. Maybe 10 people are from in 30 to 40 group. Okay. So you want to understand the distribution of their ages. So best one is histogram. This is a numerical data. You are creating bins. Boundaries are connected. Okay. And you find their distribution. So best suitable is histogram. Clear? Let me show you the example. See. This one is histogram. Different ages. And you have to just write hist, then it will create the histogram. And see, here they have given 6 bins, number of bins 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you can understand what is their age distribution. Clear? Now let's do the next one. A chart should be used when you are studying a pattern between two numerical variables. That means what happened? That means here let's say some numerical number, and here also you have some numerical digit. It's like y equal to x square plus 2. So this will also be a numerical digit. It will also be x is also a numerical, y is also a numerical. So you want to see what is their relationship. So you just plot in this way. This is known as scatter. Okay, it helps you to tell what is the relation, whether it is positive correlation or it is negative correlation. For that you create scatter plot. Okay, when both of them are numerical and you want to understand their pattern, you go for scatter plot. Let me show you an example of a scatter plot. See, it looks like this one. This is also numerical values. X equal to some random number generated numerical number and y equal to an equation. Okay, and you can see that they are positively correlated. Fine. So we have completed 5 questions. So bye for today. Happy learning.